Komunika started 10 years back with the aim of teaching as many languages as possible under one roof, but also to talk about issues which are very dear to us in our society. And one of them, for example, is garbage. How? Through different mediums, through video, through theater, through discussions, etc. And that's why the name Comunicar. Comunicar in Latin means to communicate.
On the first day, we used to teach them about different waste management practices and waste segregation.
On the second day, they used to create characters out of waste.
On the last day, we shot the movie with the kids.
And how the magic box started. For example, this was done by one of the kids in a rural school. So what we do is, the first day we just talk to them about waste management in general, what they do with the waste at home. Then afterwards we give them a lot of dry waste, and we have some games with them. And then we start talking about the stories. Each one creates their own stories, then they do a background and they do the characters. The ones who cannot do characters or they are not part of the story that we are going to shoot, they try to do funny things that you can use at home, and this is one of the results of their creation.
Before creating the characters out of waste material for the movie, the kids were required to narrate everything on a storyboard first.
Not many schools were prepared to take a 3-day workshop. They had exams, work schedules, the teachers were not available, and there were lots of problems.
Now that alternative that we were talking about, we actually thought that what if we could let the kids create their own characters and we could provide them the voiceovers, but we would shoot the movie for them. That way, we could actually make and conduct the whole workshop in just one day.
Now, moving into rural schools had a different constraint: costs. It cost money to conduct a workshop.
Now basically we were left with two options. One, either we could charge the schools for this, a nominal fee of course, or second option was we could exhaust the entire NGO funds.
And then we sought a different way altogether: sponsors. MCon Enviro, a solid and liquid waste management firm, was willing to sponsor our idea, and they liked it, and therefore it kicked off.
प्लास्टिक पड़ा हुआ है, प्लास्टिक कभी भी नहीं दबाना चाहिए, ठीक है? डालो। और अब हमने इसको दबा दिया। हाँ, एक और मछली बची है।
ओके, सो पेपर वेट हो या ड्राई वेस्ट ही होता है, ठीक है? वेट मतलब पानी वाला मतलब वेट ऐसा नहीं, ठीक है ना? ऐसे जो भी फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स वो सब का जो हो, या फिर तुम्हारा फिश या चिकन कॉम्बे भी बता।
ओलो कचरो माहिती आहे जो कुसता आणि आम्ही ते पोटो वापरतो सारखं खायचे, तो ओलो कचरो जो आम्ही पोटो वापरपाक शकता. आणि सुको कचरो माहिती आहे जो पोटो वापरपाक शकना आम्ही, आणि तो डायरेक्ट आम्ही रिसायकल करतात किंवा रिसायकल ना खबर तुमका
Our first workshop was at Bethesda Life Center in Santa Cruz. It is an orphanage which houses close to 98 kids. And while we were conducting the workshop there, we saw a very interesting moment. When the kids were told to create a story in a group, what they came up actually made us quite emotional. They narrated a story in which an eagle attacks a bird's nest and the little birds chase the eagle away to save their mother.
Ah, there you are. Please don't hurt me. I will not hurt you again.
I'm proud of you, my children.
And it was then we realized that what we are doing is making an impact.
After completion of the workshops in rural schools, we realized that teachers could actually make an impact and create a difference in the workshop in rural schools.
Communicate planned a different workshop at IHM for rural school teachers.
Because right now, if you see, all our water, wastewater, goes into our freshwater bodies, which is then mixing with the sea, right? So this is a model that we are trying, where the old system is you cover it with sand and sawdust, and no water at all. You wash separately, you urinate separately, and within a year, that the waste becomes compost, which you can use in fields. Okay. And then one more important thing that you can do as a form of an exercise which connects you to other schools across India is the Green Schools program, Center for Science and Environment, which is led by Sunita Narayan. She has started a Green Schools program. So whatever you're doing, like suppose you're doing a waste-wise program, or you're collecting milk packets, or you're doing composting, all these you can monitor, like how they audit in factories, so you can actually monitor them to see what are the impacts. You have to keep a record. I have a poster which I will show you. You have to keep a record. Your teachers can be sent there to be trained, okay? And then you are recognized by awards and grants and various things that you can do programs in your schools. And then the last thing is, once you've done this in your schools and in your homes, I think for larger impacts you need to take it to your community, which is your village or your town or.
The teachers workshop was a successful event, and we saw participation from close to 30 different schools, and most of the teachers were interested in having various waste management techniques installed at their premises. And we also saw prominent speakers from this area.
There are differences between city kids and rural school kids. Usually the kids from the cities already have an idea about how to segregate waste. They are not so open, I feel, maybe because they have much more opportunities than the rural kids. In the rural kids, what I like is they are much more creative. They immediately put their hands in the air and they want to answer. And frankly, I really like this experience with the rural kids. And in the future, this is what I want to do. I want to try and work more with rural schools than concentrate my efforts in the cities.
एक होती मुलगी, ती एका फवाऱ्याकडे गेली होती. ती तिचा पाय तिथे घसरून ती पाण्यात पडली. मग ती ओरडू लागली, वाचवा वाचवा. तिथून एक पक्षी जात होता. त्या पक्ष्याने तिला पाहिले. त्या पक्ष्याने आपल्या तोंडात एक पान घेऊन पाण्यात सोडले. ती त्या पानावर उभी राहिली. मग ती त्या पानावरून नदीच्या किनारी पोचली.
Plans for the future. This year we work with one orphanage and 2 rural schools. Next year we would like to reach to more rural schools. As according to the Director of Education, there are 855 primary schools in Goa. It's not a joke to reach to all of them, but we will try to work taluka-wise and try to reach to all of them.
उन्होंने ग्रुप एक्टिविटी बहुत अच्छी तरह से किया है. इसमें उनका लीडरशिप मालूम होता है और थिंकिंग प्रोसेस. तो 2-4 ऐसा एक ग्रुप बना के वो क्या थिंक करते हैं, क्या सोचते हैं, और बाद में एक कोई तो उसका फाइनल करता है और उसमें ग्रुप डिस्कशन करने के बाद वो अपना ये निकालता है.
लेकिन वर्कशॉप पूरे दिन चली, कहीं वो थके तो नहीं?
नहीं, इसमें थकने का कुछ नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि वो तो सब सेंस ऑर्गन्स ऐसा लगता है मुझे कि वो यूज कर रहे थे, इसलिए उनका कंसंट्रेशन अच्छा हुआ था। सब अच्छी तरह काम कर रहे थे। उन्हें मुझे बाद में ऐसा लगा कि उन्हें और भी टाइम मिलता तो और भी वहाँ काम करते, तो ऐसा उनका ये लग रहा था। क्लास में क्या होता है, एक विषय होने के कारण वो थक जाते हैं, एक को एक भाता है सब्जेक्ट, एक को नहीं भाता है, मगर यहाँ क्या होता है, सब मिलके काम करते हैं तो अच्छा काम होता है और एक दूसरे को मदद भी करते हैं, तो अपने आप सीख भी सकते हैं। हाँ, वो तो पहले भी था थोड़ा, मगर अभी थोड़ा बढ़ गया उनका सोचने का तरीका, कि क्लास में ज्यादा क्लीननेस रखते हैं, सब क्लीन हो गए और सब ये डस्टबिन में बराबर फेंकते हैं खाने के बाद। वो अच्छी तरह वो मेंटेन कर रहे हैं अभी।
Working with the GIM students was quite an amazing experience. It's not easy for us. Say in Kumnikar, we are a very small team, and we can't really go to the villages, contact the director, and arrange everything for the workshop. So in this GIM was superb. They did all the contacts, they arranged everything, whatever we needed, and then we just had to go there and have the workshop. Plus, they also helped a lot with interacting with the children. And I think in future they can do this quite independently from us. So I'm really happy with them.
We would like to thank Goa Institute of Management for their Give Goa initiative. It provided us an opportunity to showcase our contribution towards the society. Today, we can proudly say that there are at least a few rural schools who have better management practices.
And we would also like to thank Communicare Trust and the individual schools, Communicare with the awesome concept which they had, and the individual schools in helping us schedule the workshop in a better way. They had a tight schedule and they helped us in having the workshop at their premises, which was actually quite good.
And let's not forget MCON and Enviro Engineering for their timely support, and it helped us make this dream possible.
Thank you, MCON.
Thank you.